Hello, my name is Shashank Umrekar. Welcome to my project demonstration for internship project round. I have developed inventory and stock management system named as Stockflow using core PHP with object-oriented programming and MySQL along with the encryption of IDs for secure data handling. This system fulfills every requirement mentioned in the assignment and includes several extra features to make it more professional and user-friendly. Now, let me walk you through the application. Let's begin with the login page of the system. This module is built with a secure authentication system and it also uses session management, ensuring that only authenticated users can open the internal pages. Now I will log in into the system. Here I am entering the credentials. Email is demo@gmail.com and password is 12345. After the credentials are successfully verified, the system shows a toast message confirming that the user logged in successfully and I am redirected to the dashboard. This is the main dashboard of the system. It provides a complete visual summary of the inventory, total products, total categories, low stock items, stock movements, which includes both stock in and stock out, low stock alerts, stock in and stock out analytics charts for graphical representation, and latest 5 stock movements. Let's begin by adding a new category. Now I will enter the details. Category name stationery, short code stat, status is active, and here description is the optional field. After adding the new category, we can see the toast message stationery added successfully. Now, if I go to the view categories, you can see that the newly added category is listed here. Now let's edit an existing category. Here I am updating the details as needed. After making the changes, I click on the update category. After updating the category, here we can see the toast message stationery updated successfully. Now let's look at how to delete a category. From the view category page, I select the delete option for the category I want to remove. The system asks for the confirmation. If I clicked on OK, here you can see the toast message stationery deleted successfully. Next, I will add a product under this stationery category. I'll enter the details. Product name is A4 size white paper. This SKU manual. Category is stationery. HSN code. Price is 120. Stock quantity is the initial stock quantity which we are adding. And minimal stock quantity, it is the quantity if the product goes under this stock quantity, then it is show the stock alerts. The product image. Description, it is also optional field and it is status for the product. After adding the new product, the system shows the success message. We can also edit and delete the product. If I click on the edit, change the functionality as needed, update the product, you can see the success message. Along with the view products, here also having the filter option, we can filter the products based on the category and the status. If I selected the stationery and filter the details, then we can show only the products that lies under the category of the stationery, and we can also filter the products based on the status. You can see there is no product available for the category stationery and status inactive. On this page, here I have provided the export Excel button for downloading this product list in the Excel format. The additional case in the product or a category is that if we try to add the product with an SKU or the category with the short code that already exists in the system immediately displays an error toast showing that the product SKU is already exist or the category is already exist. Try another code or the SKU. Now let's move to the stocking module. Stocking module is used to add the stocks for the existing products in the system. Here we have to select the product for which we are adding the stocks, the quantity of stocks we are adding, purchase date, supplier name, it is the optional, and remarks. It is also optional for any additional notes. After adding the stocks, the toast message, stock updated successfully are shown and added 20 units. And here is the stocking history page, which shows a complete stocking of all the products. Here, this is our current entry for the product A4 size white paper. 322 is the previous quantity, added quantity is 20, and new quantity is 342. The system records the stock entry and instantly updates the available quantity of that product. The stocking module also having the filter options. Here we can filter the stocking using the product supplier from date and to date. If we have to filter the stocking history based on products only, here is the product filter is applied. If we have to supplier, XYZ is the supplier. After filtering, the two records are shown. If we have to filter data based on only a single date of 24 November, if we apply the filter button, here is no data available in the table. Here is also I have provided the export Excel button for downloading these product stocking records in the Excel format. Let's move to the next module, which is stock out module. Here we have to select the product quantity that we are selling, date, customer is optional, and remarks is also optional for any additional notes. After click on remove stock, stock updated successfully, removed 120 units, and here is the stock out history page which shows the products removed from the system, date, product, previous quantity, removed quantity and new quantity for each and every product. Here is also filter options same as the stock in history module and the export Excel button to download the stock out record in the Excel format. If the product has the sufficient quantity, the system shows a success toast saying stock deducted successfully. If I try to issue more stock than that is available, the system prevents the action and shows the error message. I will give a demo. Add stock out. Here I select the product. Here the 222 stocks are available. 223 quantity I tried to remove from the system. Customer name, internal usage and remarks is any. If I try to remove the stock, here is the toast message of error saying insufficient stock. Now let's move to our next module, that is the stock ledger module. Stock ledger module is one of the important module in the entire system. The stock ledger combines both stock in and stock out movements into a single, sorted by the latest entries first. This ledger provides a complete audit trail of the every product's movement. Here is also some filter options are available based on the product. We can apply the filter. We can apply the filter based on only the moment type, that is stock in and stock out. Dates filter is also applicable. Here is also a export Excel button is available for downloading the stock moments record in the Excel format. Now let's look at our next module, that is low stock alert module. This feature automatically monitors all the product quantities in the real time. Whenever any product's available stock falls below the predefined minimal level, it is immediately highlighted under this low stock items module. I will give you one demo. I select A4 size white paper. If I try to remove the quantity, customer name is internal usage, remarks is NA. The stock is will get removed successfully, but now my A4 white paper is comes under this low stock items because the current stock is 2 and the minimum stock level is 10. Here is also I have provided one export Excel button to download these below minimum stock products in the Excel format. Now our all the modules are completed. We revisit our dashboard for the analytics. Now we are having the three products, three categories, one low stock item, that is A4 size white paper, because we are having only two items in our stock and we are required 10 minimum stock. Here is our stock moment in this one. Stock in 70 items and the stock out for 52 items. Here is the analytics chart for the stock in and stock out. In the October, stock in 100 items, and in the November, 70 items are stocked in, and in our November for stock out, 450 items are available. And this is our latest 5 stock movements. So finally, this inventory and stock management systems provides a complete and accurate way to manage the products, categories, and stock movements efficiently. Thank you.